Let's turn our attention to a different technique, what some have called the best kept secret in the industry. This is a chemical break-in method for ribbon fiber. This particular solvent would never be used to clean an end face, but it is very effective in a chemical break-in of ribbon fibers. It's called a solvent capture method. In this technique, the ribbon is placed between a lint-free wiper, and then the solvent is sprayed on the ribbon. The foils are used to control the evaporation. Cover is placed down, give it a little bit of weight. Mid-span break-in for ribbon is becoming increasingly important. There are beautiful tools out there, but the tools are expensive and require recalibration. Of course, we've all tried to use Exacto knives, razor blades, and oftentimes ended up almost slitting our wrists rather than breaking into the ribbon. This technique is timed, and it can take between 45 seconds and 3 minutes. But it has been vetted, and it has been tried on 20 different brands of ribbon. The solvent does not break through the coating or the cladding or the color layer, and that's because the solvent is a hyper-fast evaporator. That's why it has to be tinted. Let's see how we've done here. I've actually never done this ribbon before. I believe it's a Sumitomo. We sprayed right here, and all I did was run my fingernail on it. I'm actually going to just put this back in here for about 30 seconds. A little more solvent, tent, bring the cover down, put some pressure on it. This is an inexpensive and relatively fast, safe way to do a mid-span break-in. If you were going to strip the coating off of the end, simply put this in some sort of a container. This solvent in a Menda bottle would be a good use for a Menda bottle. But again, we'll go back in here. Open this up. Now you can see we can completely break in to this ribbon. As soon as this solvent hits the air, it stops. So my break-in actually stops here at these 2 points, and if I want, I of course can peel the ribbon out. This is a patented technique from ITW Chemtronics. It's the CFK 2000 Mid-Span Matrix Removal Kit.